First at 6, it's a triple amputee Army veteran versus a nonprofit that helps veterans. The veteran, Ryan Davis, is in a nearly 3-year legal dispute with SD Gunner Fund Incorporated. Davis is alleging that the organization did not provide him with a service dog he applied to receive. In turn, the nonprofit sued Davis, claiming he and his wife violated terms of their application and defamed the organization. WSAV's Kaylee Fedko has spoken with representatives on both sides of this issue.
Ryan Davis is a United States Army veteran who lost 3 of his limbs during a grenade fight in Afghanistan in August 2019. He is now in a legal battle with Richmond Hill-based SD Gunner Fund Incorporated, a registered nonprofit that provides service dogs to veterans and first responders. Since its founding, SD Gunner Fund says it has provided 118 service dogs and 22 therapy dogs to qualified applicants. Davis and his wife Asia have been trying since 2021 to obtain a dog, and now it doesn't look like they will. Chatham County court documents indicate SD Gunner Fund and its founder, Brittany Kynard, sued the couple in December 2022. SD Gunner claimed in the suit that the Davises violated the terms of their application and their contract, defaming the organization on multiple online platforms such as Facebook and Google Reviews. Charles Dalzier is an attorney for SD Gunner and Kynard. He explains the contract applicants and their families agree to by signing once the applicant signs it.
Yeah, there's a provision in the contract that says that they agree as part of participation in the program that SD Gunner has not to disparage it. Okay, so yes, we were potentially using as one of the many counts that we had in the complaint, defamation. But we were also just asking that the contract be specifically enforced so that they would quit.
SD Gunner also claimed in the suit the Davises assisted a former board member's hostile takeover bid through several social media posts. That former board member is Jennifer Belfry, and SD Gunner settled a separate lawsuit against her in February 2023. SD Gunner alleged she falsely proclaimed herself head chair of the organization to media outlets. As part of the settlement, SD Gunner and Belfry mutually parted ways and ended any negative communication entirely between the two parties. But the legal battle with the Davises is ongoing. The original suit was dismissed by Chatham County Judge Lisa Colbert over a year later, after the Davises filed a counterclaim and motion to dismiss the case on the grounds their speech surrounding SD Gunner was protected under Georgia's Anti-SLAPP Act. The act protects speech in a public forum if it's something of public interest or concern. Judge Colbert, agreeing with the Davises, dismissed SD Gunner's complaint against them in August 2023. SD Gunner filed a notice of appeal a month later in the Superior Court of Chatham County, claiming in court filings that the Davises' speech was not protected by the Anti-SLAPP Act because a social media account is not a public forum. Davis family attorney Andrew Wilkes from Savannah-based Oliver Manor LLP issued a statement to News 3. He says he and the family are pleased with the findings of the Chatham County Trial Court and will vigorously continue their defense against the claims pursued by SD Gunner and Kynard as the legal process unfolds. Both parties are now waiting for submission of the case record to the Georgia Court of Appeals. In Richmond Hill, Kaylee Fedko, WSAV News 3 on your side.
For continuing coverage on the legal dispute between SD Gunner and the Davises, visit WSAV.com/SD Gunner Fund, and that's versus Ryan Davis.